sister here and that brother, they wanted me to buy the rose, but I don't want the rose, so I'm gonna share this with them. So I requested him to split that into a different bowl, so they're gonna enjoy that as well. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. This is your friend John. Okay, so I'm in a place called Dharamtala, which is in Kolkata. Okay, this is the environment light where I am right now. Okay, so I spotted this roadside stall. I'm gonna try the beaten rice with curd. So if you tried this, you please let me know in the comment. So let's see how he makes it, and I will tell you how does it taste. Okay, and if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button, and if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow. So let's go and try his beaten rice and curd. Okay, there you go guys, let me try this beaten rice and curd. Okay, kaisa hai brother, how are you? Good. Okay guys, look how he makes. So this is the beaten rice, flattened rice, or the beaten rice you must say. And he adds some water to soften that. ये पानी आप फेंक दीजिएगा ना?
हाँ.
So इसको आप नरम करने के लिए कर रहे हैं, right?
हाँ.
Right. So he poured the water to soften that beaten rice. Look guys how he makes it, right? And he even sells lassi, and different things over here. Okay, and the stall looks like this. Look guys. So it's the month of July, it's raining, so he has this big umbrella to protect him from the rain. It's very cool, right? So he strained the water. This is the curd. ये दही है, right? भैया दही है ना? So this is the curd that he just added into that beaten rice. What's that? Sugar, right? Sugar. ये चीनी है. Sugar. So it's unique style that you get in Kolkata, This sister, she wants me to buy the rose, but I don't want it. Thank you. I'm gonna चाहिए भाई. Thank you.
हमको चाहिए एक ये लो भैया अच्छा कुछ दिला दो हम भी लोग खा लेगा
So finally it's done guys. Look, this is the final result, and if you tried this, you please let me know in the comment. All right, it's called the beaten rice with curd. So now's the time to try this. Ivla khayega, you want to have this? No. Why? We can share. You and I, we can share. Okay? Okay. Brother. और एक तो बोल में इसको हाफ करो ना, ये बाबू को दे देगा. So I'm gonna share this with this sister here and that brother. They wanted me to buy the rose, but I don't want the rose, so I'm gonna share this with them. So I requested him to split that into a different bowl, so they're gonna enjoy that as well. So if you tried this guys, you please let me know. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so let's try this and let you guys know how does it taste. It's sweet. Guys, finally let's try this, the flattened rice with curd. Okay, cheers. Wow, it's nice. It's very light, it's sweet, and it's made with curd, right? So curd is like very cooling for your stomach, right? They honk so bad. The honking in Kolkata is terrible, and the traffic as well. But it's nice, yeah. So if you tried this curd with flattened rice and sugar in it, you let me know in the comment. And if you come to Kolkata, you please do try this. And yes, thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next vlog. Until then, take care of yourself. Love, peace. Let's make memories. Bye bye. Please subscribe. So, brother, if anybody wants to try this, where do they have to come? यहाँ का address बताओ.
एस्प्लांट मेट्रो 4 नंबर.
Esplanade Metro 4 number. Okay, so if you guys want to try this, you come to this place called Esplanade Metro 4 number. So that's the Esplanade Metro there, and this brother sits over here. So thank you, brother. You are doing a wonderful job. All the best, brother. Hi, boldo, bye, bye, be boldo.
बाय.
Bye.